going to show you the art of selling. If I asked you, sell me a watermelon, how would you sell it? You probably thought of selling it by saying something like, get fresh, juicy watermelons from us. Our watermelons are big and fresh and grown under the best conditions. Blah, blah. Generally speaking, there are two types of ways people would sell something like this. Type A, which is trying to justify the product and to persuade somebody to buy their product, which isn't ideal because it comes across as needy. Type B, which is to be empathetic. What does empathy look like? In this situation, empathy is, are you thirsty? Here's a free small glass of watermelon juice. We also sell watermelons separately, along with a recipe leaflet for refreshing watermelon smoothies. Want to buy one? Why is the second one better? Because it feels more unique, powerful, and natural. What exactly was the difference between approach A and B? It's simple. Most people, when trying to sell, will instantly defer to the physical qualities and statistics behind a product, just like we saw in the first approach. They will list out all the best features and stick closely to the idea of winning you over with logic. What's the problem with that? Well, people don't buy with logic. They buy with emotion and then justify it with logic. If you understand this, then you will set yourself ahead of the game.